So we're going to make a couple of different ice cream bases, okay? And we're going to look at how we can flavour them differently. So the first one we're going to do is we're just going to do an egg-free plain base. So I've got milk. For this I've got 750 grams of milk, and I've got 250 grams of double cream. You can reduce that amount if you want. So if you wanted to make it purely with milk, you can drop it down and do a litre of milk. That's not a problem if you wanted it to be sort of slightly less rich. Then we've got 150 grams of sugar. That goes in. And then equally we've got here 150 grams of Ice Cream Stabiliser. So this one here into there. So the Ice Cream Stabiliser is basically what's going to turn our milk and cream into ice cream. It's going to give it the stability, it's going to give it the scoopable texture, it's going to stop the overrun, it's going to stop the ice crystals formation. It's what's going to make it into an ice cream. We're using this at 150 gram per litre ratio. So I've got a litre of liquid in total, so I've got 150 grams of Ice Cream Stabiliser. Okay? And then all we're going to do is just stick blend it all together. So the stabiliser is cold soluble, so we don't need to cook it or heat it or anything like that. All we've got to do is just make sure that it's fully incorporated. You can whisk it in, but I do find the stick blend is the easiest way. Quite simply, pour that into our canister, up to the line, and we can freeze that solid. And we'll come back to it a bit later, and then we've got a plain base that we can keep on place, and then we can add our flavour to it before we churn it. So we've got our plain base, so we can now add a flavour to this. Okay, so we could use one of vanilla's, or we can use the different flavouring compounds. For this one, we're going to do some wild strawberry. So these go in around about 50 grams per litre. Obviously, if you want it to be really strong strawberry, go slightly higher than that. If you want it to be a little bit mellower, you can go a little bit lower. It does depend on how you want the taste to be. So we're going to put our strawberry compound in, wild strawberry compound, okay? Then I'm just going to add a little bit of the English rose compound, just because that works really well with the strawberry. So we're going to add a little bit of that in there as well. Blend that again. And then we'll just take that base now, fill up our canister, and freeze that ready. We're now going to look at this style of machine. This is the Fresh. So this is a high performance frozen dessert processing machine. Quite a mouthful, but it sums up what it is. Various different brands. As I say, we're going to use the Fresh one. This machine relies on making your ice cream base and freezing it in these containers. This is a plastic version. There's also metal versions as well. Take your base, put it into here, and freeze it solid. Okay? The actual machine has no freezing parts to it whatsoever. Then what you do is you take your frozen solid block of ice cream, put it into the holder for the beaker, attach it to the machine with this blade, and what it does is it drives this blade through the ice cream, sort of micro shaving it, which in turn churns it. And you end up, I really like this style of machine. You should use them in a lot of restaurants. I think they're very good for sort of fine dining style restaurants, medium to high number restaurants, where you want lovely, freshly churned ice creams every service. That's the key thing that make these machines stand out for me. So we've got the cherry compound, and obviously this is got a lot of texture to it. It's got a lot of chunks of cherry in it, but that's fine. So all we do is we take out. So I've got around about 30 grams will flavour about half a canister. So I'm just going to put that onto the top of our frozen block. Put it into our machine. And then we're just going to set that, and we'll do 5, so halfway. So that's been through now. and we can see we've now got a lovely sour cherry ice cream, but we can see on the side that we've only gone a certain way down, so we can use it. So this works really well as a system for if you want to do sort of, you've got maybe guests in a hotel that have been in a few nights and they want a different flavoured ice cream, or customers make a special request or something like that. You can have these canisters made up neutral and then flavour them almost to order, making different ice creams to order. And obviously I've turned half this canister into cherry. What we can do is then take the cherry ice cream off the top, and then we've got the rest of it we can turn into something else. So we're going to make another base now. This one, more a traditional style custard base mix. We're going to cook it out in the Chef X just to make life a little bit easier. So we're going to take we've got 500 grams of milk, equal part of cream, so 500 cream into that as well. Then we've got egg yolks. We've got 8 egg yolks, 160 grams, 150 grams of caster sugar, and 50 grams of Ice Cream Stabiliser. So we're going to set the temperature to 80 degrees, speed 3, and we'll just let that cook out until it reaches 80 degrees. So you can absolutely cook this out in a pan like you would a standard anglaise. Using something like the Chef X with a heating element, it just makes life a bit easier. You've really got 0 chance of curdling it then. You can make sure it's cooked out properly. And whilst that's cooking, you can get on and do something else. So we add the Ice Cream Stabiliser into this. Because we've got the egg yolks in there, we're using it at a slightly lower ratio than we did for the other base. We're using it at 50 grams per litre. And again, just help improve everything with the ice cream, keep it more stable, keep it nicely emulsified, lovely creamy texture, help for quenelling and scooping, for mouthfeel, and the sort of keeping down the ice crystals as well. So we're now, mix is cooked out, got it up to 80 degrees. We're now going to add some matcha powder as our flavouring. Just tip that in. Let's give it a blend. Tip that now. Into our canister, let it cool, and then we'll freeze it. Our ice cream's now been through the fresh machine. You can see we've got a lovely creamy texture, and the Ice Cream Stabiliser really helps to give that beautiful texture, beautiful consistency, ready for service.